Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Protect in College Football 26. Max Protect is a crucial pre-snap adjustment that keeps your running backs and tight ends in to block, giving your quarterback valuable extra time. It is especially effective when you anticipate a heavy defensive rush or want to throw deep. Learning to identify the right situations for this call can dramatically improve your offensive play, helping you avoid sacks and complete more long passes. Max Protect shines against aggressive defensive play calls, especially when your opponent consistently sends 5 or more rushers. This strategy allows your slower developing deep routes, like a post or a corner route, to unfold downfield. It also acts as a vital safety net when you are trying to burn clock and prevent turnovers while holding a slim lead. Use it to give your quarterback at least 3 full seconds in the pocket, sometimes even 4 or 5. While powerful, Max Protect comes with significant trade-offs you must understand. With fewer players running routes, the defense can blanket your limited receiving options more easily. If the blitz doesn't come, you might find yourself with nowhere to throw, leading to a scramble or an intentional grounding penalty. Always check for soft coverage pre-snap. If the defense has 7 or 8 players dropping back, consider a different play call. To truly master Max Protect, try combining it with play-action fakes. This can freeze linebackers and safeties, giving your receivers even more space to exploit. Spend time in practice mode learning to recognize when the defense is sending 4 rushers versus 5 or 6, which is key. Practicing your timing and developing a quick read for your hot routes will turn this into one of your most effective offensive tools, securing consistent gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.